Okay, so these are the applications of stack. So just see here, stack is stack the elements inserted one and deletion at the same, and we call it as a stack. So stack can be represented in this format. Okay, in this I have the top is the top is nothing but the portion of the stack. If top equal to -1, stack is empty. If top equal to stack size -1, uh, stack is overflow. So here two types of operations are there, push and pop. If you want to insert the element into the stack, we use the push operation. If you want to delete the element from the stack, we use the pop operation. So when we use the pop operation, the last element will be deleted first. So that is stack also called as last in first. Who inserted last, he will come first. Okay, so some of the applications of stack are conversion of expressions. So today we practice another example for conversion of expression. So see the example here. Okay, see example here. A dollar B star C minus D plus C by F by G plus F. So today we are practicing on this example. Okay. So according to the BODMAS rule, first priority given to the brackets, next dollar power, same dollar or power is same, both represented dollar or power, both same manner, both is represented for same one, that is x square, that is the dollar, or x dollar 2 means x square, or x power 2 means x square, same. Both represented x square and represented as x dollar 2 or x power 2. In the both manners represent, so priority first brackets, next dollar power, next one is multi division, mod division, multiplication is 3 give same priority, last one is plus minus. So see here, anybody has any problem for while sending the message? Any problem for sending the message? Okay, no problem. We can proceed next. Okay, no, thank you. So, okay, thank you. So, see here in this example. So far clear the stack previous topics. just so now we going just to solve this problem by using BODMAS rule. First priority already told you, brackets, next dollar power, next division, mod, multiplication, last one is plus minus. Okay, so in this example there is a brackets are there, so first priority given to this bracket. I am take it as T1. Okay, so see here, T1 equal to, so T1 equal to G plus H. After converting to infix to prefix or infix to postfix, just remove brackets. Okay, so that is I am converting this to infix to prefix plus GH, or postfix GH plus. Okay, that is T1. Next T1 right here in this example. Then you have to write here, just all of you just make your own practice. B star C minus D plus E by F T1. So this is represent T1 here. Now see here in this brackets are first priority brackets we do as T1. Then the remaining in this we have dollar is there, and multiplication is there, plus is there, by is there. So first priority given to the dollar value. So this is my T2. So see here, what is T2? T2 equal to A dollar B. So for prefix dollar AB, for postfix AB dollar. Okay, clear? So just replace here T2 here. In this place I am replacing T2. Okay, T2 star C minus D plus C by F T1. So in this we have star is there, minus is there, plus is there, and also by. Okay, so we give same priority to the star and by. So according to associative rule, if the same preference is there, we move from left to right. So I am taking this one as T3, because the multiplication and division has we are giving same priority. So we are taking according to associative rule, we move from left to right. So I am taking this as T3. So T3 equal to T2 star C, that equal to star T2C or T2C star. Clear? So just write this in this example, T3 minus D plus E by F T. Sorry, here in between there is a by is there. Okay, by T1. Okay, so here two bys give same priority. So according to associative law, give preference to left to right. So we are taking this as T4. Okay, so this as I am taking as T4. So T3 minus D plus T4 by T1. Okay. So right here T4 equal to E by F, that equal to by EF or EF by. So if you if you convert this infix to postfix in this manner, infix to postfix or infix to prefix, just in exams you just do in this manner only. Just give first priority to T1 and just explain there why we are giving first priority, because here in this their brackets we are according to Bodmer's rule, first priority given to the brackets, you just write there. Then second priority to dollar, because the second after brackets you giving priority to the overall dollar. So in this way how to explain, these are the steps you must do in exam. Okay, next T4 I am right here T4. Now in this see here minus is there, plus and by. So next to give priority to the division. So I am taking this as T5. Okay, so T5 equal to T4 by T1 for prefix by T4 T1 or T4 T1 by. Okay, next see here substituting this value, that is T3 minus D plus T5. Okay, T3 minus D plus T5. So in this we have minus and plus. This minus plus is there, same priority according to assign rule, if you preference to the left to right. So I am giving priority to left to right. So this is my T6. Okay, just changing the color. T6 equal to T3 minus D, that equal to minus T3D or T3D minus. Okay, so now I am writing here T6 plus T5. Finally, I am converting this as T7. So T7 equal to T6 plus, sorry, T6 plus T5 for postfix. T6 T5 plus for prefix plus T6 T5. So just I am substituting the values for T6 T5. Okay, what is T6 value? I am substituting here. What is T6 value? Here T6 equal to for prefix minus T3D. Okay, plus minus T3D. What is T5 value? By T4 T1 by T4 T1. What is T4 value? E by F, that is by EF. So I am writing same here, plus minus, what is T3 star T2C star T2C D by what is T4 by F by EF. What is T1 plus GH plus GH. So the final solution I am writing here. What is T2 is $AB. Okay. The final solution is plus minus plus T2 means dollar AB CD by EF plus GH. So this is the final solution for the problem. Okay. So just practice yourself at home. This is the solution. Is it clear? Is it correct or not? Just check. Please check it is correct or not. Okay, next you just convert this infix to the postfix expression by replacing same here plus T6 T5. Just you write T6 T5 plus, then you substitute the T6 value in this T3 D minus. In the same way you have to substitute, you get the solution for this problem. Okay. So far clear? Any doubts? Okay, conversion is clear. Please write a message in chat box. Next time move to the postfix to infix or prefix to infix conversion. So A plus B star C, just I am converting this postfix expression. This is my T1. So BC star, next ABC star plus. So this is my, I'm converting this infix to prefix expression, postfix expression. Now this is my postfix expression. So I am converting this postfix expression to the prefix expression, or postfix expression to the infix expression or prefix expression. How I convert this postfix expression or prefix expression? So just in this expression, just see here, this is the conversion technique. You just store this into the left to right direction. You just store the elements from left to right in this direction only. You just store in this direction into the stack. First you push the element A. Okay, then you push the element B, then you push the element C, then you push the element star. So whenever there is an operation after the operand there is an operation, so then the system will perform the operation in between those two before operands, then replace again, then store into the stack. So here we just operation is there, then it will take two operand. This is operand 2, this is operand 1. So perform operation in between these two. So I am taking T1 equal to B star C. This is prefix expression, post infix expression, and star BC, this is the infix expression. So given this is the given postfix expression to the, either we will convert the prefix expression or postfix expression. Now again this the element is stored into the stack. By replacing this, we pop these three elements, perform, and again we store into this into the stack. Okay, then push another operation, that is plus. So when there is an operation, it pop the previous two operation, perform the operation in between two operands. So I'm taking T2 as here A, sorry, A plus T1. Okay, so T2 as A plus T1. I just push the T2 value in the stack. Okay, T2 means A plus T1. So what is the T2 value? T2 value is A plus T1. What is T1 value is B star C. So the final solution is A plus B star C. Okay, just you push the elements into the stack. The same manner we get, then pop the T2 equal to A plus B star T1. So T1 is B into C. So in this way, you convert the given infix expression to the given postfix expression to the either infix or prefix. Just you store in the left direction only. When there is an operation, just pop the last two operands from the stack and perform operation between them. So that is conversion of infix to the prefix to the postfix or infix. Okay. Okay, clear? Just in left direction, just store in left. There is operation perform in between operation between them. Then do the necessary thing. Okay. So for clear or any doubt, please write a message. Any doubt, I will clarify. Otherwise, I will move to the infix to either prefix or prefix to the postfix. See another example here. Just to practice this example, just do by your own. AB plus EF star multiplication. Just push the elements into the stack from this direction only, from left to right. Then you do the in this postfix to the infix expression. Convert this postfix expression to infix expression. Just practice. Anyone give what is the answer for this example? Just push the left direction from one by one element into the stack. If there is an operation between them, then perform the operation between both two. Then store again into the stack. Okay. So anyone guess what is the answer for this? For better understanding, I am giving T1, T2 in this manner. just directly store those elements into the stack, no problem. I'm storing like as T1 equal to first I'm in between two operands. So here I am giving, so first I push the element stack A, then I push the element B, then there is an operation. So plus is the operation, the pop the elements, all the elements from the stack and perform operation in between them. So two operands are here, see here. So just now see here, what is the output for this now? See. So what is the output is nothing but T equal to pop the elements and perform infix operation A plus B. So instead of division star, I am giving prior to the plus means these elements are stored in brackets. Okay. Instead of division and multiplication is the higher priority values there, but I am giving first priority to the plus symbol means this expression as I am taking this as T1, okay. So this expression as the higher priority. Okay, then I insert E, then F, then there is an operation called by, then pop these two elements. Okay, then pop these two elements, again perform operation between them. Okay, so I am performing operation between these two, E by F. Insteading star multiplication is same priority, IYR bracket taken by means this is in brackets. Okay, so now we push this into the stack. So now the stack contains A plus B bracket E by F bracket. Now last one is this operation, that is star. So pop the last two elements. I am taking as this is T1, T2. You can write in T1, T2 or directly in this manner as your wish. Just present there. Okay, I am taking this as T2 and this one as T1. So perform T1 star T2. So that is A plus B star E by F. So this is the conversion of infix to the postfix expression. Okay. So far clear or any doubt? If you are not respond, I cannot understand. If you are able to understand the concept or not, please write a message in chat box. Is it clear? How we convert our postfix expression to the infix or prefix? Just here, right here in this prefix or prefix expression, you don't need any brackets. Only infixation expression contains only brackets. Remaining postfix, prefix, and those element does not contain any brackets. Only infix expression only contains the brackets. Okay, clear. So now convert the prefix expression to the postfix infix. Okay, just remember from postfix to prefix, you just store the elements from left to right. Because just remember the element why we are storing for postfix expression left to right means here the operations are performed after the operands only. That's why I'm taking from left to right direction. When we are converting the prefix to infix or postfix, you just take from here prefix expressions here. I am telling one example here. Star plus AB by EF. So In this year, we are storing from same. I already told you postfix expression store from left to right. So here in this left we have operations are there. In the right side we have operands are there. So just store from right to left here. Okay. Just thinking here we have operations before the operand, so we cannot convert this by using stack. Just you have to store the elements from right side onwards. Clear? Okay, just do it yourself. So from right to left, first element is stored in the stack is first element stored in the stack is F. Next one is E. Then there is a operation between divided operation between F. Then what we perform here? E by F. Just write in the stack, that is first we are giving priority by, that's why we are giving here E by F. Next we go insert A, next insert B, next insert plus, then perform operation in between them, then you get the values as E by F A plus B, because you have star here, but you are performing these two before the star, so these are in brackets. Then finally you get the star, then you have to represent the values as A plus B into E by F. Okay. So in this, see here, in this first stored in this is operand 2, this is operand 1. In infix expression, this is operand 2, this is operand 1. Here we reverse the value, so that's why this is operand 1, this is operand 2. Okay, first instruction B here, sorry, B, then A. Just remember those points in infix expression. So in postfix prefix, this is operand 2 and this is operand 1. In this reverse, first one is operand 1, second one is operand 2. Just remember that. Okay. So in this way, you converting the postfix expression to the prefix and prefix to postfix and postfix to prefix. So for using stack also, you can perform here same infix expression also by using stack you can perform. So see here from here also stored from left to right only. So first to store the A element, then there is a operation is there, then there is an operand is there. So just perform operation between these two. Okay, so we just see this infix to postfix by comparing the values. We are giving some priority values to these operands and also symbols. Give some value for plus and minus, and also give values from division 1. By compare these values with these operations, if the element is greater than or less than, we push into the stack, or less than, we just to check the condition, and we either we push the stack or we either pop from the stack. Okay, so tomorrow we will see the program for conversion of infix to postfix. Okay, so is it clear or any doubt? Please write a message. So you just practice these examples at home. A plus B by C star D minus E. So converts this infix expression to the postfix and prefix. Okay, clear? Okay, just practice at home. If any doubt, just write a message. Just practice some more examples on infix to conversion, infix to postfix, and also postfix. Take postfix expression and convert the postfix to the prefix, and also take from prefix expression to convert the prefix to the postfix. So practice by practice yourself at home. With any doubt, just inform me. Okay. So in this way, how to we are using these are the conversion of expressions by using stack. In this way, we are doing this conversion. Tomorrow we will see evaluation of expression. How we evaluate the expression by using stack. Today on the session. Tomorrow we will meet. Anybody any doubt? Please write a message.